friends, today I'm telling you an exciting story about a yellow parrot. Once upon a time there was a parrot named Nuri. She was a very happy and nice parrot, but her color was yellow and that troubled her a lot. She lived in a jungle where every parrot was green, but she was the only one that was yellow. So one day she was going and she found a green parrot that made fun of him. Ha ha, you're not in our family, go away and laugh, ha ha, that you are in yellow color. That's why she was sad that why do I have yellow color? So she tried a lot that I can have green color. She rolled herself in the leaves. It was a windy day. When she rolled, the leaf ticked on her, but when she was going, the wind blew all the leaves from her. So she was very sad. Her mommy didn't know what happened to her, but she tried the best to make her happy. One day when mommy got to know what was the trouble with her, she made a brilliant plan. So she said, Nuri, now you're not a baby anymore and your wings are also strong. So maybe we can go for the first trip of your flying. So Nuri was okay and she said, alright mommy, I'll come with you in a sad way. So mommy took her to the she took it to the trip. So when they were in the trip, her mommy said, how are you feeling? She know what is happening to her, but to make her exciting and to make her confident, she said, what's happening ahead? So she said, Mommy, I don't know anything ahead because we are in a high level and I can see only fog. And Mommy said, okay. When they both were tired, they landed on a mountain. Mommy no, because it was her plan. So she said, let's land on this mountain. But Nuri didn't know anything. They both landed and over there when they saw every animal was sitting in a line. The monkey, the elephant, every animal was sitting in a line. So Mommy said, why don't we join them? Nuri said, alright mommy. So they both joined. When Nuri saw there were a lot of parrots that were flying. They were gray color, blue color, green color. Every color parrot was there. Nuri was excited to see them. It was evening and they went back to home. Over there, 3 little green parrots came and made fun of him, ha ha ha. But Nuri wasn't sad this time. You know why? Because when she saw that there are so many colors, so she said, alright, I also have a color like them. The moral of the story is that everyone have different skin color. It's not that we all will have the same color. It's okay to have different skin color. It's okay to be different from others.